Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Hamza Electronics, your go-to channel for all things electrical and electronic. Today, we're diving into the world of analog multimeters, a fundamental tool for every aspiring electronic whiz. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this video is packed with insights to unravel the mysteries of analog multimeter. So, let us jump right in and explore this indispensable device together.
Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Hamza Electronics. Let's start our video.
The analog multimeter, often referred to as a volt-ohm milliammeter, VOM, is a versatile electrical measuring instrument that combines multiple functions in one device. Its introduction involves understanding its components, features, and how to use it effectively. An analog multimeter typically consists of a display dial, needle indicator, selector switch, and various jacks for test leads. The dial is calibrated with different scales for measuring voltage, current, and resistance. The needle moves across these scales to indicate the measured quantity. The components of an analog multimeter include the display dial, which displays measurement scales for voltage, current, and resistance. The moving needle indicates the measurement on the selected scale. The selector switch allows users to choose the desired measurement function, and the test lead jacks are input terminals for connecting test leads, which are the cables used to connect the multimeter to the circuit. Analog multimeters have various uses. They can measure DC and AC voltages across electronic components and circuits. They can also measure both DC and AC currents, helping to analyze and troubleshoot electrical systems. Analog multimeters are capable of measuring the resistance of resistors, wires, and other components. They can be used for continuity testing to check for the continuity of a circuit, and some analog multimeters have a diode testing function to check the forward and reverse bias of diodes. Analog multimeters have applications in electronic troubleshooting, automotive diagnostics, household electrical work, educational purposes, and field service. They are invaluable for troubleshooting electronic circuits, identifying faulty components, and locating wiring issues. In automotive repair, they are used to measure voltages and currents to diagnose electrical problems in vehicles. In household electrical work, they are useful for measuring voltages in circuits and checking the continuity of wiring. In educational settings, they are commonly used to teach students the fundamentals of electrical measurements. In field service, portable analog multimeters are widely used by technicians for on-the-go measurements and diagnostics. In conclusion, the analog multimeter remains a fundamental tool in electronics, offering a straightforward and reliable way to measure various electrical quantities. Its versatility, ease of use, and affordability make it a staple for both professionals and enthusiasts in the field of electronics.
Thanks for watching. Okay friends, goodbye. Wait for my new video.